Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to change your Riot ID. Let's get started. First, open your web browser. Then search for Riot account. Open the official Riot Games account website. Sign in to your Riot Games account. After signing in, you'll be taken to the account management page. On the left side, click Riot ID if it isn't already selected. Now you'll see your current game name and tagline. Click inside the game name box. Then enter the new Riot ID you want. You can also edit your tagline. Your Riot ID is the name other players see in Riot Games. Your friends also use your Riot ID and tagline to find and add you. When you're done, click Save Changes. Your Riot ID has now been updated. If you can't change your Riot ID, make sure you haven't changed it within the last 90 days. That's it. If this video helped you, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.